Nancy Reyes, Irene Gonzalez, sino pa? Sir Florante, halina po kayo dito in the self-picture. Just take picture, Doktora. Halina po kayo. Yes. Aso si, Florante. Sir Florante, Sir Mark, join us. Okay, Sir Team, our meeting external. Peter Santos. Yeah, si Mr. Sandoval is here. Ay, baka bilisan naman ang lakad ng apat dyan. Okay, team, it's secretary. Sa teachers, bakit ayaw sumama? Sir Mark. Ay, bigyan mo yan kay Sir Brian at join us. Okay? Team Blue!
And Team Violet! Team Pangasinan! At Team CBS ay kasama! CBS kasama! Okay, sa pag-service po, ito po ang one team, one family, one mission, United Catholic Faith Family Day 2025. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you, Mr. At this point, we would like to hear a short message from the representative of Office of the City of Bimol, Sir Romel Santiago. Sir, palakpakan natin si Sir Romel Santiago.
Thank you po. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Thank you and good night.
Safety ka lang.
Hindi ba? Okay. So, in behalf po ng mga kasama namin dito, actually ganyan, tinatawag ko lahat ng alumni. It's because yung 30th year ng ICSB will commence this year. So, ang magiging kick-off would be the season 8 ng Icon Stock. Pero prior that, before yung opening ceremony, siyempre magkakaroon din ng mga alumni night. Okay, so yun. So, wala namang sa amin. Masasalamat lang for inviting us, the whole, siyempre mga nasa government, nagpapasalamat lang sa inyo, sa suporta. And of course, sa inyo naman na lang dito, God bless you all, and happy Family Day po. Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Romel.
Okay, so thank you, Sir Romel. Hanggang marami pang magulang,